Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content and the next chapter is financial statement with adjustments. Earlier we told you about the how to enter the data in the financial statements without adjustments. Now we are going to understand about the need for the adjustments as well as the items which actually need for adjustments. Need for adjustments according to the accrual concepts of accounting. The accrual concepts of accounting means where the data, if it is not payable or receivable, will be considered. The profit and loss for an accounting year is not based on the revenue realized only in cash and the expenses paid in cash during the last year. So what does it mean? That means the items, not only the cash of a received and paid will be taken, payable and receivable will be considered. When we are using the word payable and receivable, it means we are referring to the adjustments in the profit and loss and the trading accounts. There may be exist some receipts and expenses in the current year which partially relates to the previous year or maybe to the coming years. So there may be exist of the incomes and the expenses related to the current years that still needs to brought into the books, record into the books. So these items needs adjustments. The final account which will not reflect the true positions without making adjustment in the statement of affairs called as balance sheet. The need for the adjustments while preparing the financial statements, we are referring to the few points. Number one, adjustments to be made regarding outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, accrued income, and the advance income. So these are the points needs to be adjusted regarding the expenses and revenues. Then the adjustments needs to be brought down into the books related with the depreciation on assets, bad debts on debtors, creating of provision on the doubtful debts on debtors, provision for discount on debtors. And then last one is the adjustments to be made regarding the manager's commission, interest on capital, interest on drawing, interest on loan, etc. Then we have to make profit and loss trading account as well as the balance sheet along with the adjustments. Like one example is here, an amount is paid 1200 on July 2016 as insurance premium. General insurance premium paid for the 12 months. It starts from the July to August. Suppose the accounts are closed, accounting year ends with the 31st March 2017. So it means from July to the 31st March, we have to calculate the time period. That is reference to 9 months. And the one-fourth uh, of the insurance premium paid for the next year. So that's why this is called as advance, insurance premium advance. So these expenses to be debited to the profit and loss in place of 1200 by deducting the advance amount 300, only the 900. The rest of 300 will be considered as advance and will remain to the asset side. It means we have to make the adjustment of the 1200. Current year's periods will go to the profit and loss or to the trading accounts, and the item needs to be make any adjustment to the coming year or to the previous year adjustments will remain in balance sheet till the adjustments takes place for the current year. So I think this is clear to you regarding the why we need to get the adjustments. Now these are the few items listed here related with the need of adjustments. Number one, closing stock. It is forwarded to the next year. Outstanding expenses, payable expenses, advance expenses, that means prepaid expenses, accrued income, income receivable, unearned income, that is called as income received in advance, depreciating value of any tangible assets, maybe depreciation on land, building. One thing I want to make clear here, depreciation on land don't take place, but the depreciation on building will be considered as a part of adjustments. Bad debts on debtors called as irrecoverable amounts. Provision for the doubtful debt, for the uncertainty, any provision can be created. Provision for the discount on debtors, if discount allowed to the debtors, then the provision can be created. Managers commission payable, and then the interest on capitals and others what is referring to the internal adjustments like the charity in goods, loss in goods, drawings in goods, and the interest on drawing. So many other adjustments. After getting all these, you may do at your own. Thank you.